Hey everyone, this is Daily Dose of Medicine. In this video, we will talk about kefir, what's inside of kefir, and what are the health benefits. Let's start with what's inside of kefir. It includes kefir grains. These are the culture used to ferment the milk and produce kefir. They're not actual grains, but are made of symbiotic mixture of lactic acid bacteria and yeast. It includes bacteria such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium. It also includes yeast. We have proteins. These are high quality proteins like casein and whey proteins. The vitamins and minerals. Kefir made from cow's milk, the good source of several vitamins and minerals such as calcium, vitamin K2, vitamin B12, biotin, and folate. It also includes lactic acid. The benefits of kefir. It's probiotic rich. Kefir is considered a potent source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote healthy gut microbiome, can help improve digestion, boost immunity, and support overall gut health. Probiotics in kefir can aid the digestion of lactose, making it easier for people with lactose intolerance to consume dairy. It also helps enhance the nutrient absorption. It contains enzymes and probiotics that can help improve the absorption of nutrients from other foods you eat. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals with nutrient deficiencies, digestive issues. It helps you to build stronger immune system. The probiotics inside of kefir have been associated with strengthening and promoting the production of immune cells and antibodies. It has potential anti-inflammatory effects according to some research, inflammation causing the heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. So kefir might help to prevent these complications. Calcium and vitamin K2 content. Kefir made from cow's milk, which is a good source of calcium, a mineral essential for strong bones and teeth. It also contains vitamin K2, which works synergy with calcium and other nutrients to promote bone health. It also helps in weight management. Some studies suggest this. The combination of probiotics, protein, and calcium in kefir may help increase feeling of fullness and reduce the appetite, and potentially leading to reduced calorie intake. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch our folate deficiency science video and iron rich foods video. See you on the next one.